Hey guys, have you ever wondered what it would be like if characters from different animations came together in the same story? With this AI, you can create those videos in the blink of an eye and completely for free. All the animations you're watching were created from a simple prompt. There's no modeling, rendering, rigging, or any of those time-consuming and expensive steps involved. Everything is done completely free, using an exciting AI that can place the same characters in different scenarios and generate a 3D animation from them. With just a bit of creativity in writing your script, arranging scenes, and adding proper editing and sound design, you can create an awesome short animation. I thought maybe you'd enjoy seeing your favorite characters in new stories and situations, or even creating new characters and making animations with them. So stick with me and let's make it happen together. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. I started by going straight to ChatGPT to save time and asked it to write a story for me about a well-known animated character. Then I asked it to convert all the scenes into prompts so that I could use them with a text-to-video AI tool. It did this very well, and I can say it really speeds up our workflow and saves a lot of time. When you search for Hailu AI on Google, you'll find a website entirely in Chinese. Click on it to enter the site. While the primary language is Chinese, we can use Google Translate to make things easier. On the homepage, you can ask the AI any questions, but we'll focus on its main features. You can use this section for music production. This one is for image description and interpretation. And the other one is for generating text that can be useful in various topics. But the real highlight for us is the video production feature. Here you can see various samples and check them out. Creating videos on this platform is incredibly fast and simple with remarkable quality. Now let's try out 2 scenes to see how it works. Also, to avoid long wait times, try working after midnight. Since Minimax can't generate 2 scenes for you simultaneously, I recommend logging in with multiple accounts to speed things up. Alright, not bad. Download it and let's move on to the next one. Based on my experience, the generation time for each scene ranges from 3 to 8 minutes, which I think is great. As you can see, the characters look nearly identical. Now let's generate another character from Toy Story. Again, we'll use ChatGPT to write the script and pick 2 scenes. You can keep experimenting by combining characters from different animations and get some really exciting results. This AI is incredible. It's absolutely amazing. Normally, you'd have to put in a ton of effort and spend a lot of money to achieve such results in animation. I believe this AI, which is still evolving, could be a fantastic option for creating short animations. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay creative.